Can you play music with an SD card in a GTI or other Volkswagen? The answer is yes, and in this short video I'll show you everything you need to know. Your model may vary, but in this 2016 GTI, the SD card slot is located inside the glove box. Simply insert the SD card until it clicks. And right away, it's ready to go. To access music, press the media button. Then select source if you're not seeing content from your SD card. And now I can use the selection button to view all my tracks. Music files in the root folder automatically show up in the main list, but tracks and albums are contained in individual folders. And depending on the size of memory card you're using, you can have a lot of music available for long drives or almost unlimited music for wherever you're driving. And I'll list the memory card I'm using in the description so it's easy for you to find. And here are some final tips. To eject the card properly, it's better to unmount it in the menu first before removing the physical device. Also, memory cards should be formatted to FAT32 or exFAT. Compatible audio files for Volkswagens include MP3, AAC, WMA, WAV, and FLAC. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.